Welcome to SP Platform Solutions. In this video, we will guide you through the software installation process step by step. First, open the download link you received in your browser. Select the exe file and click on Download. Next, locate the serial key text file you received. Double-click the file, copy the serial number, and keep it ready. Before starting the installation, please check if your antivirus is turned on. If it is enabled, temporarily turn it off to avoid any installation issues. Now, go to the downloaded exe file, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Next, carefully read the license agreement, then select I accept the agreement and click Next. On the next screen, enter the organization name as SP Platform Solutions. Now, paste the serial key you copied earlier into the required field and click Next. Continue clicking Next on the remaining steps to proceed. Once completed, the installation process is finished successfully. Congratulations! You can now start working with SP Platform Solutions software and begin earning. If you face any issue during installation, please connect with our Telegram team support. Team SP Platform Solutions.